Lake Effect Snow is coming back, everyone. And guess what? A system might be making its way through as well. So let's take a look at this. This is the European model, and this is exciting if you're a snow lover. Yes, we are showing some dark purples there that indicate some pretty heavy snowfall. This is for Sunday as we go into November 9th. So definitely something to keep in mind. Sunday, November 9th. Today is Wednesday, November 5th. So we still got about 4 days to go. If you're watching this significantly after November 5th, please look for a new video. The forecast changes. So you gotta keep up to date on the forecast, right? Let's take a look at a different model. Now, this is the American model, also known as the Global Forecast System, the GFS. This has the snow slightly further south, just by like a county or so, but of course that makes a big difference when we get a little bit closer. Right now, we're kind of just looking for patterns, snowfall amounts, will it actually have moisture, things like that. Now, this is the NAM model, the North American model. We are seeing it go as far out as it can go. So as we go a little further into time, each model run will go 6 hours further into the future. But for right now, we see a lot more green on this, right? That indicates that it is thinking we might have a shift north with the low pressure there, the little L, and then maybe, some cooler air a little further off to the north. So we'll have to watch out for this one a little carefully as well. Now, I am not a fan of using one model run. It's just the deterministic models, too much can go wrong, bad data, things like that. I like the ensembles. Now, an ensemble is just a slight variation of the parent model. In this case, we have 51 variations, and they're all averaged out together in this one graphic. So this is the average of 51 different snowfall maps from the European model itself. Now, it is indicating a good swath of snow, 2 to 4 inches, so that means it's certainly something to watch, but the snow band will be more narrow because, again, this is 51 models. That's why it looks so broad from the UP down into Indiana and Ohio. It will not be that broad. We are going to have lake effect for sure, but we have to narrow it down a little bit. This, though, tells me we have something to watch. And even ensemble models, guys, I am not just going to use one and run with it. This is the GFS. This one has about 31 different models that come out of it that average all together here. Notice those snow totals, they're a little less, right? Yeah, so we got a little ways to go, a couple days. We're going to get some more data coming in. I am curious to see this winter, though, how things shake out with less weather balloons being launched back over to our west. Weather comes from our west. We've had a lot of cuts. Regardless of your political affiliation, we need more data, not less data, and we're getting less data. So, the models might be just a little degraded, but we'll see how things go this winter. We're going to do our best for you. Certainly something to follow, and don't buy into the 14-inch totals yet. That is wild. That is insane. But, I guess it technically is possible. We will have updates for you as we get a little bit closer, though. Again, this is the first snow of the season. Get excited!